Why is he giving me all these different choices? Aren't all of them the same? Why can't I just have my prescription?
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Vijay Shenai. I'm an optometrist at True Focus Eye Care. And today we're going to talk about some misconceptions concerning contact lenses. I'm going to have the help of some of my friends, Jamie, who's our contact lens department manager, and her daughter Hannah. Now there's a lot of outtakes of this because it was really hard to get a mom and daughter to not laugh at each other. So I hope you enjoy this video and it clears up some of the questions you might have had for contacts.
Are contact lenses uncomfortable?
For most new contact lens wearers, there's a brief adaptation period. And after that adaptation period, most of the time you don't even realize that you're wearing contact lenses at all.
I read an article online the other day where some lady got 30 contacts stuck behind their eye. Is that real? Is that gonna happen to me?
Okay, so remember, that's what I'm here for today, is to help you get comfortable with wearing contact lenses and putting them in and taking them out. And remember, when you're wearing contact lenses, your eye and the contact lens act like a magnet. They're drawn to one another, to the front of your eye.
Now I have a fear of eyeballs. I don't know if I can touch my eye. Won't it hurt my eye?
I'm going to help you get your contact lens. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Make sure that it's not inside out and that it's properly cleaned and no dust or anything, any particles on it. So when you put it in, it's going to feel amazing.
I'm not a morning person. Won't contact lenses take too much time during the morning to get ready?
So it's a lot easier and faster than you think. The first time is going to be a lot more difficult because obviously you haven't done it before. It's kind of like riding a bike or learning to tie your shoe. The first couple times are very difficult, but after that you get the hang of it, it will be just like old hat.
Now I normally get glasses once a year. How much more are contact lenses going to be?
Most of the time, contact lenses cost less than $1 per day, or they cost less than a nice pair of glasses.
Why is he giving me all these different choices? Aren't all of them the same? Why can't I just have my prescription?
So every year they come out with different contact lenses that are healthier, easier, more breathable for your eyes. Most of the time they still cost about the same amount of money. It would really be a disservice if we didn't give you anything new to try that's available to us.
So I've always been told that I can't wear contacts, but you're telling me I can?
So every year they come out with new contacts that are more comfortable, healthier, and easier for you and your lifestyle. And it's free to try.
I've always slept in my contact lenses. The doctor never said anything was wrong with my eyes. Why are you telling me to stop now?
So most monthly contact lenses are approved for sleep for only 7 days. There are contact lenses that are approved for sleep for 30 days. And if that's something that you need, then that's something we can do.
Aren't all new contact lenses just more money?
It is true, dailies are more expensive per box than monthly contact lenses. But depending on solutions and how you use your contacts and how you wear them, that could mean that they could be less expensive than monthlies.
The only thing I don't like about contacts is that I have to wear my reading glasses every time I need to see up close. Last time they tried the contacts that I can see far away and up close, I felt like I had to cover one eye just to see up close and cover the other. It was just crazy. So I don't think contacts are for me anymore.
So the newest option available is that allows both eyes to work together simultaneously. A whole lot easier than using one eye and then using the other eye.
So I tried the bifocal contacts in the past, and I just couldn't get used to it. Every time I try to walk, I felt like I was going to fall over. So what's the difference between the new ones and what I tried in the past?
So if you try today and it doesn't work, it's not the end of the world. We can always try again next year. They're always coming out with newer things.
Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. And I also want to thank Jamie and Hannah for all the help that they did on this video. I think there was a lot of tears, laughter, and a lot of sweat. And thank you for watching this video. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below and we might answer right there, or just make a whole nother video for contacts. Well, don't forget, find your true focus, hold on to it, never lose it, and I'll see you next time.
Don't make faces at me again.
I wasn't making faces at you. I was looking like I understood what you were saying.
All right, stop.